Curry's PC World, 1749 British pounds. Hopefully you got the specs from this one. AMD Ryzen 7 32 gigabytes. And what are the other specs we have? Yeah, 32 gigabytes, 1 terabyte SSD, NVIDIA 5060 Ti. This one is a little bit cheaper, but the price is far better. AMD 77, 16 gigabyte. I may need to upgrade that to 32 gigabyte. 5060 Ti. The only difference is, I think, the RAM between this one and that one. Yeah, it's just the RAM. That one, this one is 16 gigabytes. This one is 32 gigabyte. They're both 5060 Ti's. So from 1399 all the way to 1749 British pounds. But this price range is more better, given the fact that prices of components are going through the roof at the moment. So if I can build one with similar specs and design that can do both gaming and 3D modeling, that will be a bonus, a big bonus. There is another smaller one, which is that one. It has also 16 gigabyte. This one is Intel Core i5, and it's got the NVIDIA 5060 one, not the Ti one, which is probably the 8 gigabyte one. So yeah, that's currently at Curry's, which was formerly PC World. I just came for a walkthrough just to get some ideas today. I've spoken to the sales guys on the floor. They're very nice. They gave me like a lot of valuable information about how I should buy the parts and where to look and what prices to go for. So it is looking promising, especially when I check their website. Currys, they have some really nice prices, especially with when it comes to the GPU and when it comes to the memory and the PC case itself. Their prices are very good. They have some very good PC case priced at like 60 and 70 pounds, complete with RGB fans. So we are onto the TV sections, but what I would like to concentrate on is that get some more information today about everything that I need to use on my PC. Mouse prices, keyboards, headphones. Most of the other parts, the bigger parts, are being sold online only, so they are not in store. And I've been shown some. By the way, this is the back. From the back, this is how they look. I like the aesthetics. They look beautiful. The black one and the white one. They both look very good. They both look very beautiful and amazing. This concludes mostly my trip to PC World, or my trip to Curry's. I don't know. I still use the name PC World because when I used to come here, it was used to be called PC World before they merged together with Curry's. And hopefully, thank you. I will see you on the next video. Please subscribe to the channel. Your subscription will help the channel a lot. Thank you very much. Monitors.
Here are guys.
How about the good monitor? 450 pound MSI one. Cheapest around 139 pounds. 139 British pounds is more like 170 US dollars. These two are curved screens, so curved screen monitors. So this is the beginning of my research. Some nice keyboards. Crosshair K70 core TKXL ARGB. 70 pounds, 149 pounds for that one. These prices are in British pounds, so it will be difficult to convert them on the video in like American US dollars. I can only guesstimate to the nearest dollar. So 69 pounds, I would say maybe if you multiply that by 1.3, so it's gonna be maybe around 90 something US dollars or less than 100 US dollars. Crosshair mouse or Corsair mouse. Why do I read it as Crosshair? It's Corsair mouse. Yeah.